Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Co, co, co. Happy Vlogmas Day 4, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and haven't ever seen my face before, hit the red subscribe button. You should probably stick around because we're pretty freaking cool. Yeah, happy Vlogmas Day 4, I believe, right? Doing strong with the daily upload. Today, I figured for Vlogmas, we just do a regular vlog. It's like almost 3 right now. I'm just working. I'm down in my office. As you can tell, I have like 3 more hours of work to do tonight. I'm working until 6. I don't have any plans really for the rest of this week because we are going out of town, so we're just like keeping it easy. Maybe I could talk Ryan into doing like a tag later. Like I really want to do, what's it, couples like 20 questions tag or something like that. Maybe we'll do that later. I know for sure I have to clean some upstairs. I cleaned our whole downstairs yesterday because I filmed our Christmas decor. Yeah, I'm just gonna get some work done and I'll see you guys throughout the day. So Ryan just got home from work and tomorrow is our city's leaf pickup, and of course we waited until today to rake them, so let's go mess with them. Hey! Hey! You want to say hi to the vlog? This is like all seasons in one.
Yeah, I'm shoveling leaves.
So you're shoveling leaves and snow.
Tell Big Vic to come out here and help. I'll make corn dogs and everything.
You remember when you said it was only going to take you 5 minutes?
It's not going to take that long.
Okay. Going back to work.
2 piles and I'm using the trash can and taking it out.
Okay. You want me to help?
Huh?
You want me to help?
Yeah.
I just got to say that for the video.
You got
Poor guy. Listen, ladies. You just gotta take care of the inside of the house and leave that for the men. Or we could just move to Florida or something like that if he doesn't want to do it anymore. Or maybe next year we won't wait until the last minute.
off.
How was it?
Huh?
How was it?
Okay.
Just got off work and we're gonna get dinner started. a typical, what is today? Tuesday. And we're trying to lay low this week, so not much to film. So I thought I would do the couples tag. Yeah, so you answer, then I answer the same thing. And
Okay.
see if they're the same.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
The first one is, where and when did we first meet?
New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. Guys Party Center on New Year's Eve.
When? Like how many years ago? Like you can give them some more information. Don't give them
2015? 15.
Where was our first date?
Hilarities. You seen a big fat Mexican.
I think it's called House of Blues.
House of Blues, but the place, I got the thing, tickets from.
It was a comedy show.
It's a comedy show. Big fat Mexican, curly hair.
It was really funny.
It was good. It was good. We
It
were
was in Cleveland.
petrified that we were gonna put up on stage.
Mm-hmm.
Said, "Dude, we're on the first date." We just
And Cleveland is like 40 minutes from us. So that car ride.
the dog.
What was your first impression of me?
Full dress. Sexy.
What, you like what I was wearing?
Yes.
My first impression of you.
It was cool.
Oh, I remember. This is gonna. The first time I saw you, you were pulling that girl's chair out, and I was like, "Oh, that's nice of him to do." Yeah. When did you meet my family?
It was in the summer. We did like a cookout.
Yeah, it was at my
Uncle's
cousin
house or something.
Cindy's. Met your family. Oh, at New Year or 4th of July.
Yo, my dad sang Major Star Spangled Banner before taking my shot Fireball.
That's how I know the one.
Because that's how we roll.
Who said I love you first? No, what the fuck I did not.
Okay then.
Did
You
I?
want me to say?
What?
You want me to say?
Yeah, I'll just edit it out if I don't want to.
Oh, don't do that.
What are you gonna say? That I made you say it?
Kinda.
I said it.
Baby, if you know anything about the movie, you probably love me, I love you.
We were about to move in together, and I said, if you don't love me,
When you doing this?
I didn't say you have to tell me.
It's like waterworks.
I think it means what's something I always wear.
Dressing.
Like what clothes will I wear?
Yoga pants. You like yoga pants?
I don't like your leggings. I like leggings. I keep my tongue. There's a difference.
There's no difference.
Yeah,
It looks nice either way. I always picture you like, especially in the winter, with a scarf. I think you like scarves. You're always like bundled up. You know? It's cute.
yeah, I do always bundle up. It's cold out here.
Yeah. So. I mean,
Yours
that's
is-
most of the time because it's 6 months of winter and cold weather.
Yeah. Yours is easy. He always wears flannels.
Dixon.
His favorite brand is Dixon flannel. Other than that, basketball shorts.
Oh, you don't want home?
Yeah, like when you're home, you only wear basketball shorts.
Even in the winter.
What's a weird habit that I have?
You clean every second of every day.
No, I do not. That's not weird. I mean, I might have a little OCD, but a weird habit you have. You can count to 4. You can count 4?
I count before.
Oh, I didn't.
My OCD.
Oh, yeah. What do I do in my free time? What do you do in your
What you do is you vlog.
Vids.
Vids. You do like the vids. You like other vloggers.
I watch vids.
Yeah.
You sit on the floor Indian style and play Call of Duty. Or you golf.
You golf.
Yeah, I mean it's winter here, so it's like hard to
Yeah.
find anything to do.
And the new Call of Duty is.
I said you like sports, like
I-
playing sports and watching.
Watching sports.
How long have we been together?
Coming up on 3 years in June.
Okay, so we count pretty much been together since our first date because we didn't see or date or talk to other people.
All the hoes got chalked
After February, but we didn't technically start dating until June.
The day of the Cavs 2016 championship.
During the Indians World Series. Pretty epic time for us and
Everything.
our sports. What was our first road trip?
Was it Columbus? It had to be
That's what I was
Columbus.
going to say, Columbus. What pisses me off? I would say what pisses me off.
If I'm making dinner, okay.
Wait, are you saying what pisses me off?
But yes. If I'm making dinner and it says butter, margarine, optional, and I don't use it, you get so mad because go buy the recipe. Go buy the recipe.
So you're trying to say I like when you don't, or I don't like when you don't follow recipes.
Correct.
Okay, what pisses you off is being late.
Whoa.
What am I not good at?
Are we being honest here?
Yeah.
Sports.
Yeah, I'm very good at that. Yours is obviously cleaning.
Crazy because I leave stuff on the night table and then the next day it's not there. It's like we have magic elves.
What am I good at? And don't say cleaning.
You have a phenomenal sense of humor. That's one of the absolute things that I love about you.
Subscribe down below.
And you keep thinking for everybody. And I think we both have that in common.
I was gonna say for you, you're really good at holding a conversation. Like you could talk to anybody. Like, whereas I'm shy. Like yeah, I'm like funny and everything, but like I'm shy. Our favorite feature about each other.
Sense of humor.
Yeah.
Is that a feature?
Feature. I think feature means like.
No, there's family members that watch this. You sure you want me to answer this?
Yeah, I think it means
Sure.
yeah. They already know, probably.
Boop.
Yeah. I love how tall you are, first of all. Because I used to love your hair and like your jawline, but now you can't see it. That's why I was trying to. Because like you have a nice like. My favorite thing is like how you're.
I like it.
But you can't see it right now.
Join the movement.
And I love like when you used to get faded, how your hair used to feel.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but
And how you used to look so cute. What do we argue about the most? The only thing I get annoyed is that he doesn't pick up after himself or help me clean. And I think he gets mad at me for telling him.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's just a circle. And
I don't do it every, we just made dinner, and right when this video's over, she's gonna be in there doing it.
Yeah.
Oh wait. I mean,
I
it's
can't
gonna
stand
soak. It's gonna.
nicknames for each other. Hey.
Babe, bubblehead, too tall, big head.
What is my favorite restaurant?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Probably Chipotle is his favorite. Like
Chipotle is so good.
that's like the only thing he ever like asks.
And you never let me go.
You are mine. You are my best friend.
It's just because I vlog.
I told you. Honest to God, 2 minutes after that vid. 2 minutes.
pretty much it for Vlogmas Day 4. Still going strong. Hopefully I'll have this up tomorrow. Nothing really Christmassy today, but some days are just like that. Like today was just a day that we were just living. I actually haven't even left the house today. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed our couples tag, getting to know us a little better. But I think that's it. We're gonna wrap it up here, and we just want to say thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you want to say what's up. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn our notifications on. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.